Good morning, Jefferson students. Happy day. Today, we're going to be starting classification. We have all these organisms in the world, and we need some sense of how to organize them. So, the first thing you're going to be doing today, as you can see on the screen, is we are going to be watching a classification video. It's Amoeba Sisters, and we love, love, love those. Okay, so after you're done watching the Amoeba Sisters, you're going to scroll down and open our PowerPoint. Okay, once you open the PowerPoint, it's going to tell us a little about how do we classify things. We classify by putting organisms into groups by looking at characteristics they share. Are they unicellular? Are they multicellular? Do they have eggs? Are they plants? Are they animals? Are they bacteria? Things like that. So we characterize them by things they share. They are also put into group based on their body structures. Obviously, we walk upright. The elephant walks on four legs. A worm slithers on the floor. Carolus Linnaeus, he was the father of taxonomy. He came up with binomial nomenclature. It's a two-word naming system. We still use it today, our genus and our species name. If you look, it's a lot of times Latin scientific name to all living things. The genus is capitalized, the species is not. Our genus and species name is Homo sapiens. If you look at the word homo, it has a capital H and sapiens has a lowercase s. Homo sapiens, that's you and I, we're human. Felis domesticus is a cat, and Panthera tigris is a tiger. All of those names have capital letters for the genus names and lowercase letters for the species name. So what are these animals' scientific names? So to get the scientific name of the chimpanzee, we put the genus name Pan first and the species name Troglodytes second. Can you tell me what would be the scientific name for the paramecium? It would be Paramecium caudatum. What do you call this creature? We've seen this once before in our class when we were looking at the slides on living and non-living before. This is a pill bug, a roly-poly, a potato bug. A lot of times common names for species are different and can be confusing. The binomial nomenclature uses Latin, and that is used because scientists all over the world use that, okay? So that is the scientific name for the pill bug. So we have 8 levels of classification, and it goes domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Domains are really big, species are really small. So at the top, the kingdoms are big, the species are small. If you look at the red line, the red arrow going down, it increases in similarity as you go down the column. As you go up the column, it decreases in similarity. A good way to remember this is dumb King Philip came over for grape soda. Domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Species is the smallest, most specific group in the classification. Organisms in the same species can reproduce together and their offspring are fertile. You have to be in the same species to reproduce. So we put things together. We show a family tree that classifies organisms by their evolutionary history. We are similar, the most similar to people we evolved from. And we set up a cladogram to show that the older traits are at the bottom and the newer traits at the top. We slowly evolve over time. So, and tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but Friday, or soon in the future, we are going to be using a dichotomous key. Die means two. If you roll a set of die, you're rolling two dice. It helps identify organisms. Questions with answer choices lead you through the key until you find the correct answer. Okay, that's kind of an overview. If you want to go through the PowerPoint, it is there later. So after reading the PowerPoint, I need you to open up Clever. So you go to Clever, go to the Pearson Easy Bridge, go to the science modules, and then click on classes. In the rectangle box beneath is your assigned reading. Your assigned reading is the eText classification system. Go to the assignment tab up top, and you're going to grab assignment tab, and you're going to grab the classification sheet. Oh, I haven't put it on under assignment, but it's going to say classification. That's Miss Love making lots of noise like normal. You're going to go up there, say hi, Miss Love. And so you're going to fill out the graphic organizer, and then you're going to submit it back on top under assignments. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always email us right here in your inbox, and we will get back with you. Have a great day. If you have any questions, we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.